Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to exactly pay with a gift card on the Zara app. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure you are logged into your Zara account. After you are logged in, you will see interface something like this. Now let's do some shopping. Here you can see the search button, tap on it. You can browse to the items over here and add your favorite items to your cart. Let's say I'll add this sneaker for now. Here you can see more pictures of your product. Once you're happy with the product, add it to the shopping cart. Here you can see the add button at the bottom, tap on it, select your size. And now it has been added to the shopping cart. To view the shopping cart, here you can see the shopping cart icon at the top right corner, tap on it. You will see your selected items in the cart. You can double check all the details, and once everything is right, you can now proceed to the checkout process. Here you can see the buy button at the bottom, tap on it. In this page, you need to select your shipping address. You can check everything, and once done, here you can see the continue button, tap on it. So this is the checkout screen. Here you can see different payment methods. You can also see the option gift card as the payment method. Tap on gift card. Here it says I don't have any gift card added yet, so to add a new gift card, there is a add a gift card button at the bottom, tap on it. Now here you need to enter your gift card code, which you can find on the back of your physical gift card or in the email if it's an e-gift card. After you enter your gift card code, if the gift card is valid, you'll see the option to proceed with your gift card payment. And if everything looks good, you can go ahead and place your order. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. You've successfully learned how to pay with the gift card in the Zara app on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.